Hello friends, welcome to Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. We see anti-malarial drugs. This is part 3. We already seen introduction, classification of anti-malarial drugs in part 1, drug use in malaria in part 2. Let's start with another drug from anti-malarial drug with their full monograph. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gauli, lecturer in KK Institute of Pharmacy, Tandoori. Learning outcome. After watching this video, student will able to name anti-malarial drug according to IUPAC system, to recognize anti-malarial drug on the basis of their structure, physical and chemical property, and to recognize the anti-malarial drug on the basis of their uses, storage stability, official preparations, and brand names. Next drug is primaquine. Chemistry. It is a quinolone derivative. It contains methoxy group at position 6 and 4-amino 1-methyl-butyl amino group at position 8. Physical property. It is orange-red crystalline powder, odorless, and it has bitter taste. It is soluble in water and practically insoluble in alcohol. Chemical property. When its solution in nitric acid is treated with ferric ammonium sulfate, a deep violet colored precipitate is produced. Storage and stability. It is affected by light and hence it is stored in well-closed, light-resistant container. Uses. It is anti-malarial and having tissue sensiticides and gametocytes activity. It is mainly used for radical cure of Plasmodium vivax infection in conjugation with chloroquine. Pharmaceutical formulation. It is available in primaquine tablet, brand names, Aralon with primaquine. Next drug, proguanilin. It is also called chloroguanides. Chemistry. It is a bigonide derivative. N1 nitrogen is substituted by para-chlorophenyl group and N5 nitrogen is substituted by isopropyl alcohol group. In liver, it is converted to cycloguanil, which is an active principle and exhibits anti-malarial activity. Physical property. It is white crystalline powder, almost odorless, and it has bitter taste. It is slightly soluble in water and practically insoluble in chloroform. Chemical property. When its aqueous solution is treated with potassium ferrocyanide, a white precipitate is produced. Storage and stability. It is affected by light and hence it is stored in well-closed, light-resistant container. Uses. It is tissue sensitized and slow blood sensitized, therefore it is used for short-term and long-term prophylaxis of falciparum malaria and associated malaria. For long-term prophylaxis of vivax malaria. Pharmaceutical formulation. It is available in proguanilin tablet. Brand names are Paluridine. Next drug is pyrimethamine. It contains pyridine as a heterocycle. It contains 2 amino groups at position C2 and C4. Ethyl group is present at C6 position while para-chlorophenyl group is at C5 position. This is the structure of pyrimethamine and it contains pyridine as a heterocyclic ring. Chemical name 2,4-diamino 5-para-chlorophenyl 6-ethyl pyrimidine. Physical property. It is white crystalline powder, odorless and tasteless. It is practically insoluble in water and soluble in warm dilute mineral acids. Chemical property. When its aqueous solution in dilute sulfuric acid is treated with potassium mercuric iodide solution, a creamy white precipitate is produced. Storage and stability. It is affected by light and hence it is stored in well-closed, light-resistant container. Uses. It is primary tissue sesonticide and slow blood sesonticide. Therefore, it is used for prophylaxis and the treatment of malaria. Second use, in combination with sulfadiazine, it is used to treat toxoplasmosis. With sulfadoxine or dapsone, it is used to enhance antimalarial activity. Pharmaceutical formulation. It is available in pyrimethamine tablet, pyrimethamine and dapsone tablet, sulfamethoxine and dapsone tablet. Brand names: Pyralfin, Daraprim, and only 2. Next drug is trimethoprim. Trimethoprim, it is a synthetic derivative of trimethoxybenzylpyrimidine, in which 2 amino groups are present at C2 position, 2 and 4 position, and 3,4,5 trimethoxybenzyl group is attached at C5 position. The presence of trimethoxy group on benzyl ring reduces lipophilicity and thus optimum activity is obtained. This is the structure of trimethoprim. It contains pyrimidine as a heterocyclic ring. At 2 and 4 position, 2 amino groups are present, and at 5 position, it contains 3,4,5 trimethoxybenzyl group. Physical property. It is white to yellowish white crystalline powder, odorless, and it has bitter taste. It is slightly soluble in water. Trimethoprim also develops resistance to the susceptible bacteria when given alone. When it is given in combination with sulfamethoxazole, a spectrum of antimalarial activity increases, and this combination is used in the treatment of genitourinary tract infection, respiratory tract infection like bronchitis and pneumonia, meningitis due to meningococcal infection, and enteric infection like typhoid or paratyphoid. Pharmaceutical preparation. It is available in combination with trimethoprim and sulfadiazine, and formulations are trimethoprim and sulfadiazine tablet, trimethoprim and sulfadiazine injection, trimethoprim and sulfadiazine mixture, trimethoprim and sulfadiazine dispersible powder. Second combination, trimethoprim and sulfadoxine. And preparations are trimethoprim and sulfadoxine tablet, trimethoprim and sulfadoxine injection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.